The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created Rollover, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rollover is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, Rollover is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rollover comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. Rollover provides measuring capabilities in a range of units using a revolutionary user interface. By supporting this campaign, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience a reality. We are ready to change the future, with you by our side.
Have you ever thought about the way you consume your content? Whether it is notifications, phone calls, music, audiobooks. At Voxus, we are changing the way people consume audio content. We are creating a more natural and safe way by using an everyday accessory and advanced audio technology. Voxus does not require you to cover your ears. It leaves the natural hearing sense completely free by using bone conduction technology. Bone conduction technology sends sound waves through your bones by using vibration. Compared to regular air conduction that sends the sound waves through your ear canal, bone conduction technology uses vibration to send the sound waves directly to your inner ear through your cheekbones. Voxus is a pair of glasses you can connect to any Bluetooth-enabled device. It transfers all the audio content directly to your inner ear while leaving your natural hearing sense completely free. Take phone calls, check your agenda, switch between music tracks, receive GPS directions, and always be aware of your surroundings. But Voxus does not only create an extraordinary audio experience. We can do much more than that. By the use of bone conduction technology, we can provide a device that can achieve pain relief for people suffering tinnitus. Tinnitus is the perception of constant noise in the head which has no external source. Every year, 1 million people in the UK are looking for options to treat tinnitus. Voxes can be used to consume specific audio content in order to relax, without isolating oneself from daily activities and daily life.
Hi, I'm Kathy from NIM, and these are the NIM rings. First things first, the size. Here's the meter. Check your finger size like this before opening the box. Let's get inside. This is the ring, and this is the button. Here's how you wear the ring. The button should face your thumb. It'll be easier to use if you wear it on one of these fingers. This is the LED, and this is the charging port. The charging dock is inside the box. Cable included. To charge the ring, simply put it on the dock. Remember, your ring should always be charged. Thank you for watching. More tutorials are coming soon, so please subscribe.
At Casper, we know that all the environmental factors in the bedroom play a big role in your ability to fall asleep. Light is one of the more intuitive ones because we have this natural daily cycle with the sun, and so it's so baked into our biology. The overarching problem is most lighting definitely is not designed for sleep. Bright blue light can interrupt what your body's naturally trying to do. Glow was intentionally designed as a light to help you sleep.
Glow is a bedroom light specifically for getting into the right mindset of falling asleep and then easing into your day. Initially, it will give you enough light if you want to read or fold laundry, but it will gradually dim and get redder like the sunset to help fall into sleep easily. A lot of us wake up with blasting alarms, and that's not a fun way to wake up. With Glow, we can schedule a wake-up time and it will slowly start rising and ease you out of sleep.
As we were developing the product, we wanted to provide light that looks natural and feels warm and inviting, like a candle light or a fire. So we worked really hard to spec the right kind of LEDs, but also in the materials that we used in the product. So the diffuser shell, it's very smooth, it's very organic. We spent a long time just testing and building functional prototypes, and it was really just a slow iteration to this new type of product that we've designed.
By design, we wanted this to be an object you can use while you're very sleepy. And so it's controlled by gestures. You flip it to turn it on or off, and it begins a drift pattern over 45 minutes by default. You can rotate it to increase or decrease the amount of light, press buttons on either side to pause it. There is no up or down, so you can't get it wrong. And you can also just wiggle Glow a little bit, and it'll cast downward the smallest amount of light. In the middle of the night, you can stumble out of bed and get a drink of water or change your newborn's diaper and get back to sleep with as little disruption as possible.
We knew we didn't want to be blatantly putting technology into people's bedrooms, so we came up with this idea of quiet technology. The way we design Glow is to be as soft and as disappearing in the bedroom as possible.
With Glow, you can create groups. So as you interact with one, all the others in the group magically do the same thing.
When you dim one, they all dim together. When you turn one over, they all turn on and light up your room in like a very nice way.
You can have this synchronized experience, these little pools of light, and create a beautiful light show in your bedroom.
There's something magical about the feeling of it. It's based in science. People fall asleep faster. When they wake up in the morning, they feel better. I think Glow's the clearest statement that as a company, Casper cares about sleep, and we're moving towards something bigger.
This is the new OpenM VCam H7. It's a hackable, expandable computer vision module that fits in the palm of your hand. Our goal with the OpenM VCam project was to create a super simple but flexible computer vision platform that can instantly power on in seconds for applications in the real world.
What I like about OpenMV is, first of all, it's a single contained package that has the camera, the processor, and the MicroPython environment. What I really like is the IDE, the development environment, which is Python, which is easy to use. It's interactive, so you get to see the results in real time. And it's otherwise, you just plug and play. And that's, huge advantage in just getting right down to the computer vision.
Folks have been begging us to release the OpenMVCam H7, and it's finally here. The OpenMVCam H7 is a much improved version of the OpenMVCam M7. We have all the same features like color tracking and April tags and face detection, but now with double the processing performance. We now have a removable camera module system, which lets you easily replace the current camera module for things like global shutter imaging, to capture fast action and eliminate motion blur. By combining the OpenMVCam H7 with a FLIR Lepton, you can now create a thermal imaging camera that can run off battery power.
So it's like having a superpower of, two different kinds of vision. You can see the world the way a human sees it, or see the world the way an insect sees it, and by combining the two, you can see the world better than both.
The additional processing power finally allows you to run neural networks on images in the wild.
The exciting new feature that's coming out with this is to be able to do deep learning. Convolutional neural networks, being able to kind of run inference layers.
Since we introduced our original OpenMV camera, we've shipped over 10,000 units and seen amazing applications utilizing our hardware. We've seen students build autonomous cars capable of following a line. We've seen drones capable of automatically landing using computer vision, and everything else in between. Since our original campaign, we've now got 5 shields for you to add to your OpenMV camera. We've got a proto shield, a servo controller shield, a motor shield, a Wi-Fi shield, and finally an LCD shield. Let's say you want to build an autonomous remote controller car. With the OpenMV camera, you can literally put all the brains right in one module at the top and run some servo controller wires down to an RC controller down here and an ESC for motor control.
Like any great video game, it's easy to pick up but hard to master. I think OpenMV is easy to pick up, but then there's this extraordinary amount of depth still there waiting for you to master.
Our mission is to connect makers with a small, affordable, and expandable computer vision module. And since we've shipped over 10,000 units, we've gotten the kinks out and know what we're doing. We need your help to fund the production run of the new OpenMVCam H7. We hope you'll join us.